AI is completely changing the marketing game, and I'm going to show you how you can get into it. So first and foremost, let's look at what AI generated for my profile pictures. I actually use a tool called Profile Picture Generator, and this is what it popped up. So you can see on the left side, it's kind of this drawn version of me, and then this one kind of looks like Assassin's Creed a little bit, and then you have me with long hair over here and like a Fortnite version of me. That's just me uploading 20 pictures of myself, and there are other tools you can use. There's one, for example, over here called AvatarAI.me, made from levels.io, and you can just pay for $69 or so. Imagine if you need new designs done for your ads, if you need iterations done for your ads, you can just take what you have already and just ask for some iterations and you can do well. So the first tool that you can use is Midjourney. So if you search for Midjourney, they're going to invite you to their Discord, and then what you can do is you can type in some commands for things that you would like to see. You can say, I would like to see a Asian warrior eating a hamburger anime style, and they'll give you some credits, and then eventually you just have to subscribe for it. But it just goes to show you kind of the power of this. Number two, Jasper.ai. I use it to write copy. I use it to write headlines. I use it to help with my LinkedIn posts, my Twitter threads as well. And you can use it to upgrade content that you have on your website. So I just see a lot of utility there. What's interesting is that a couple years ago, a lot of people were saying that AI would not take creativity away because that's something that human beings have that's unique to them. But we're finding that creativity is one of the things that AI is attacking really well. Now, Descript is another interesting one. So we use that for podcasting, and what it can do is that it can actually take your voice and bridge some of the gaps. So it can remove a lot of the stop words like ums and ahs. And let's say there's a gap in what you're trying to say, you can actually add in words there, and then it will basically deep fake your voice, right? And it'll sound exactly like you. So I think this is just really scraping the surface when it comes to marketing and how it relates to AI, because AI ultimately what it's going to do is just going to make life a lot easier. And now we can start to visualize, we can start to see the fruits of that, right? So I'm keen to know in the comments what other tools that you're really interested in that have helped you from an AI perspective. Now, I want you to also understand that marketing as a whole is going to really get changed by AI in general. So I would encourage you to check out this video over here on whether I believe if marketers are going to get replaced by AI and what you can actually do about it if it actually is the case. So check out that video and we'll see you in there.